What's up, everybody? Rob from Milesboard here, and I have some unfortunate news. Costco is no longer selling Polish dogs for $1.50. It's really sad. But I also have some good news. Phantom Shipment 2 is finally in, baby. Everybody that's been waiting, if you placed your order before the end of April, this should pretty much cover it. This is the first half of the shipment. We're expecting the second half of the shipment to arrive tomorrow. So we're doing a quick inventory. Guys are stacking the boards. And we also have, for everybody waiting on the last part of their rush order, check it out right here. Woo! That's cold. We've got all colors of Cloud Wheel. So we'll be going through these, getting out everything that we owe you guys over the next few days. So stay tuned. Thanks for your patience. Boards are finally here, finally going out. What a beauty. Breaks 2. Man, I forgot how clean these were when you don't beat the shit out of them.
Who gets that lucky board?